Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this video or review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a leather case from BellRoy for your Pixel 9 Pro XL. I decided to pick this up from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. I think this is the first BellRoy case I have used in a long time, so we're going to definitely check it out. We'll make sure everything fits well. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection around the front? Also, how does everything line up? How strong is the magnet in here? Because it does have a built-in magnet. The overall fit of the case. Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Nice presentation from BellRoy. Says super slim, eco tan leather, built-in magnet. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. It gives you instructions in there. Here it is. Let's give it a sniff test. Smells like leather. So it's leather in there. Oh, it has like this felt material in the back of it. You can see the magnet there. Hopefully it doesn't track fingerprints. You can get different colors too. So you do get camera protection there. Covers up a lot. You also get lip protection all the way around it. Nice big cutouts for the bottom there. The speaker and the charging port and the microphone. The microphone up there has a nice cutout. The power button feels nice and, the power button is nice and tactile. The volume rockers are easy to press. Yeah. One thing too, it gives you some grip on the sides. I like the grip that you get. Feels really like sturdy in the hands. Like you're not going to drop it off. Drop the phone. Now let's check the overall fit. Okay. I'm not moving it to get it on. Yeah, look. It's going to take some work to get it out of this, the phone out of the case. So again, if you drop it, your phone just won't come popping out of it. I just wish the power button has like a little ridge. I think that would just make it easier to find, to know that you're pressing the power button. Doesn't add bulk. You can see there, it doesn't add bulk to your phone anywhere. It's not like a heavy weighted case either. So yeah, this is a solid case. I love how good it fits. Now, how strong is the magnet? Is BellRoy known for having a strong magnet? I'm not sure though. Let's see, I gotta find my charger in all this mess. So here's my little charger. And it's pretty strong. Let's try that again. It's not, I won't say it's the strongest magnet out there, but I think it would be perfectly fine for a lot of MagSafe accessories out there. And you can, while it's charged, you can hear it just going on and on with every time I take it off. The magnet is not super strong though, but it's doable. It gets a pass. So again, like I do in all the videos now, checks off a lot of boxes. The power button, volume rocker is nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom and the top here. One of the best fitting cases so far too. There's no movement. I'm not moving it at all. And to get it out of it takes some work, which you want, because if you drop it, again, you don't want the phone just popping out of it. The magnet is good. You can wireless charge. The overall feel, it doesn't add bulk. So checks off a lot of boxes that you look for in a case. If you want to pick this case up, I will have the links in the description. support the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.